Hi friends, in this one, let's take a look at answering this question 10. So a 1997 AP Calculus BC multiple choice section questions. Y is x, y plus x squared plus 1. Then when x has the value -1, find dy dx. Let's go through the process. How do we think about this? Because x and y are getting multiplied, that's an implication, in other words, that you have to use implicit differentiation. So y prime is what you would put first. When you differentiate y using implicit differentiation, put y prime. Remember that here, y is some function of x. That's a way to do it. Now on the right side where it says x times y, remember y is a function of x, so you have to use the product rule on it. Differentiate the x with respect to x, which is just 1, copy the y, plus, then you can copy the x and differentiate the y, but that would just again be equal to y prime essentially. The x squared part, that just gets differentiated the normal way, so it's 2x, and the plus 1, that's a constant, and it goes away when you differentiate it. Now you can just solve this for y prime, so this would be, let's see, y prime minus xy prime would be then equal here to, let's see, y plus 2x at first, and factor y prime out, so y prime goes out, and then what's left within here, let's see, that would be 1 minus x is equal to y plus 2x, lastly divided by 1 minus x, so y prime is then equal to the following, y plus 2x divided by 1 minus x. That's your derivative. Then you just evaluate this derivative at x equals -1. So y prime evaluated at -1. Now, we don't know the corresponding value of y. That's an issue. We have to find it somehow because, as you can see, it appears in the expression for the derivative. You can find it as follows. Go back to the function. So y is equal to, replace x, let's see, with -1 this way. And then y plus, and then let's see here, -1 squared plus 1. All I'm doing is I'm going back to the original, replacing x with -1, and then working out the value of y from that. So then y here would be equal to negative y1, so negative y in other words, okay, and then plus 1, so y is equal to negative y plus 2. So y, move it over to the right side, or left side rather, so by adding y, which means you're going to have 2y is equal to 2, which means y itself is then equal to +1. That's done. So now go back here, and you can replace y with 1. You can replace x with -1, so you have that. In the bottom, you'd have 1 minus -1, so this would then give you at the next stage 1 minus 2. This would be 1 plus 1, which is 2, which then would give you -1 over 2. In other words, the correct answer is this one right here. It's choice B. And that is it. So if it's been helpful, friends, please leave a like, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video.